Want to change your brand name on Walmart? I'm going to guide you through it step by step. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you where to access free Walmart training by Walmart. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. My goal is to help you stay and become a millionaire on Walmart. The only way to do that is to conquer Walmart together. Let's dive in. Okay, so there's 3 different ways to change your brand name on Walmart. I'm going to be going through way number 1, and this is going to be the quickest way. So of course, this is your brand name. If you look at your listing, boom, that's the brand name right there. This one's Hickaway. So if you wanted to change your brand name to something else, then what you can do is you just go to your listing and then you're simply going to click edit. It'll look something like this, and then you scroll down and then you just simply change your brand name. So if we were changing it to Nike, boom, you click submit, and then you would submit that update. Once that update goes through, you click submit, wait a couple minutes, and then you're gonna go to your activity feed, and there's going to be an activity feed ID. What you're going to do is you're going to copy that. It's gonna look something like this. Here's the activity feed ID, so you're gonna copy that, and then you're simply going to automatically open a case with Walmart. Sometimes your brand name update will go through within an hour, within 24 hours, but I like to automatically update a case or create a case with Walmart just in case it doesn't go through. So then you're gonna say, hi, my item is, and then you're gonna give them your item. My item is item ID. You're gonna give them that. I'll show you where to get your item ID. Here is my activity feed ID. Give them the activity feed ID. I need my brand name changed from Hickaway to Nike. There you go. And then to get your item ID, what you're just going to do is go back to Walmart, and then you're going to find the item that you're going to update. You're going to click on this one, and then here is the item ID right here. You might need to send them the GTIN as well, so you can go item ID. Boom. And then you open that case up with Walmart. So now you have 2 things that you're doing at once, and this should work. This is way number 1. Way number 2 is an inventory file update, and this is a spec sheet update pretty much. So what you need to do again is you're going to go back to your catalog and you're going to get your GTIN. So here's the GTIN right here. Click update items and then click update with GTINs. You're gonna click here, if it's seller fulfilled or Walmart fulfilled, click one of these, and then you're gonna click, let's say it's seller fulfilled, you're gonna click that, download file. Once you do that, you're gonna click go to activity feed, and it's gonna take you to the download section. It's gonna take like 2 to 5 minutes, and then you're gonna refresh it, and then you're gonna download it, and it's gonna look something like this once you download that file. It's gonna have all of this. Let's say it's just this one, we're updating the green one. I'll delete these ones. And there's the brand name. And now you're gonna change the brand name to Nike. And this file is pretty much more powerful than the other way I showed you. So Walmart might actually have you do this anyway. And then you're going to save this. And then you're going to click X. And we're gonna come back to the catalog. And then we're simply going to go to update items, update with file, select the template, update all attributes. It was seller fulfilled, and then you're gonna browse that file that you just updated with the new brand name, and you're gonna put it in here. Then again, it's going to give you an activity feed ID. You're gonna get that activity feed ID, and then also give that to Walmart again. So that's way number 2. And the final way is contacting brand support. Now, to get access to brand support, you need to be brand registered on Walmart. So you have to go to brandportal.walmart.com. And when you go here, you sign in, and then you're just going to use your seller account to sign in on here. And then once you're signed in, you're supposed to enroll your trademark. And then once you enroll your trademark, you get full access to Brand Portal. And this is what it looks like when you have full access to Brand Portal. Now, Brand Portal is a special platform, and then Walmart automatically recognizes you as the brand owner. So if you have both the trademarks enrolled. So let's say we have Hickaway enrolled as a brand owner and we have Nike enrolled as a brand owner. It's going to be very easy for them to change it for us. They have a lot more power than the regular Walmart support. So what you're going to do is you're going to click help. You're going to go to contact us. And now it's going to take you to not seller support, but brand support, which has a lot more power. Now you're going to explain the issue to them, give them the activity feed ID, and then they're going to be able to push that update through and get your brand name changed. For making it to the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you where to access that free training. So you're going to do free Walmart seller training. Just Google that, and then it should show up on pretty much the first one. And it's going to be the Seller Academy. And this was actually created by Walmart. Walmart's been updating it. It is very good. It's solid. I had my whole team go through it, and we have our own Walmart internal training, but it should be something that's a base that all of your employees, your team that's managing Walmart should go through, as well as you. And it's going to go through ads, performance, order management, and everything else regarding Walmart, even spec update sheets, which I just went through. So that's free training. And that's it for today's video. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend that you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart sales journey. Of course, if you need help with anything on Walmart, getting reviews removed, contacting Walmart, managing your sales, anything, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. We specialize in Walmart and we can help you. There's a link in description to actually schedule a call with us or just contact us on our website. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.